When you create a presentation, you have to pay special attention to certain principles of visual ergonomics related to the presentation software you choose. Here are a few recommendations for making your presentations relevant, well-structured, and attractive. Here we are using PowerPoint 2010. The various presentation programs may look different, but the ergonomic principles are the same for all of them. There are several issues to consider if you want to make your presentation clear and legible. First of all, choose a font with good readability. Your best bet is a sans serif font like Arial, which is highly readable on screen. You should avoid serif fonts like Times New Roman. The extra little lines at the tips of the letters make them harder to read on screen, although serif fonts are often good for paper printouts. You also have to choose a size that is appropriate to be read on a projection screen. The color of the font is also important. You need good contrast with the background. Avoid putting a pale font on a pale background, for example, and choose a dark color instead. You also need to write and place the information to make it as understandable as possible to the audience. For example, you could use a picture to reinforce a point. Here, the star should be placed near the point you want to highlight. It's a good idea to prioritize the information based on the path the eye travels and the importance of the point you are making. For example, the title must be given the greatest emphasis, followed by the subtitles, and then the points themselves. It's easy to customize a presentation using design templates. From the File tab, click New. Several templates are available. And for each template, there are several predefined slide masters. The slide masters offer several default layouts that can be applied individually to each slide. Here we will click on Comparison to view the information and adjust it to our purposes. Remember to save the presentation so you don't risk losing the work you've already done. You can use the dynamic preview at any time to see the result of a different theme on the entire presentation for about 1 minute before it returns to its original appearance. To do this, click on the Design tab to access the Themes group. Run your cursor over the themes to preview the result on the slide. The preview will take into account all the masters you have already chosen. There. Now you know how to work with the principles of visual ergonomics and how to customize your presentation using design templates. Keep going. Your presentation will be wonderful.